Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video is a very special video. Though guys, I was going to share the makeover of my balcony with you all. But within the meantime, I thought to share some DIY projects which we can create during this lockdown. These are the DIYs which we can create with the things available already at home. Balcony makeover video will be live soon. I thought this video will engage you at home while you are homebound, but still you will be able to keep yourself engaged and create happiness and beauty around you. So before I start my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. So without any further ado, just jump into the video. As we all have a spare set of tea cups at home, we can use them or you can use the discarded ones also. Stack them upon each other, balancing them, keeping upper one tilting in front. After arranging them, now take few branches from the artificial leaves and arrange them in the uppermost cup. For most of the DIYs, we have used old teacups and mugs. These are going to look amazing with the decor. These are looking so beautiful and their white color enhancing the beauty of this decor. We all have one set of white teacups at our home to make with the white teacups. For the next DIY, I am using another cup set which I am not using any longer. I pasted few flowers on the rim. You can paste foam flowers as well, but I have used paper flowers. The link of these flowers I will share in the description. I arranged them in this way and put a candle over it and decorated it with the bead string. Like the first DIY, we can stack the cups in the same manner. On the edge of uppermost cup, I pasted beads sticker. Now taking a jute rope, wrap it around your fingers to give it the shape of nest. Put it inside the cup. Complete the look with the bird and some paper flower or artificial flowers. This one is also looking so amazing. This ladder is also one of my favorite DIYs. I will share the link in the description. This is made of bamboo stick. We all have these kinds of extra milk mugs which we do not use. We can use them with different artificial flowers and can use them in different decorations. As per the color theme, you can change the color of the mug. For this DIY, I am using this glass cup which is actually broken. We have not to do anything. Put the shells and a candle inside it, and our beautiful candle is ready. This is looking amazing. And if you get bored of these DIYs, you can replace them. We have these kind of net baskets at our home. You can use them as decor pieces. Arrange some flowers in it, and this is looking so beautiful and giving the rustic charm to our decor. Now we are going to create beautiful decorations with the DIYs we made till now. I am using that basket and wrapped it with some rope around it. Arrange some flowers into it. Complete the look with the candle. I am using this fork set. These all are looking so beautiful together. Here I am using some books covered with white paper. To add color, I used red flowers. Using this candle, one of my previous DIYs, I will share the link in the description. Just add a candle to any decor and it will just enhance the look of the decor. These kind of decor we can change as our mood. Now I am taking white mug and adding these artificial bunch, tying the jewel drop, adding on this Buddha statue, and to add some color to this decor again I am using the red fox set. Again another cup reuse idea for our balcony decor. I am tying the cup's handle with the help of jute rope and going to hang it. Adjust the length of the jute rope. I arrange like this. I am using 3 cups here and adjust the length of the jute rope in random order. In one of the cup, putting same nest and bird, and in another 2 cups, add some artificial grass or flowers stems. How beautiful this decor is and quite appropriate for the outdoor setting. There are many items in kitchen which we can use as decor pieces. I am using this glass and a glass cup, filling them with the salt. Put the candles and added some sheeps and shells. Our beautiful candles are ready in no time. I wanted this decor completely soothing, so kept it white. Added Buddha planter to complete the look. This one is my favorite. For another decoration using the same glass, I put a dolly lace inside it. I am putting this glass on the book's top, and this one is also looking amazing. I hope guys you liked all the DIYs created today in no time, and you can change the look whenever you like. In kitchen also, this decor is looking beautiful. This decor idea was my favorite. I hope you liked all the DIYs. Please let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. These are actually the arrangement of the things already we have at home. In the next video I am going to share balcony makeover. So stay tuned, stay crafty, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay healthy, bye bye.